we make paper decorations to hang on the Christmas tree, so you can make birds like this. Right, this is wallpaper, lining paper, so I'm going to make the wings. Get a rectangle like this, fold it into a concertina, backwards and forwards, pressing it down like that, and then fold in half. Right, and now we'll do a bird. I'll just sketch a very simple bird and then cut it out and paint a little bit. Alright, and I'm going to cut a hole in it to put the wings in. Folding up a bit of paper, poke it through. Alright, get through and stretch out the wings. If you can make cloths, you can thread them all off and hang from the ceiling, like a wintry scene, or we can thread them up to bits of wire and then hang them on the Christmas tree. Merry Christmas! Thanks for watching!